How to reset Windows password without data lost. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click Power icon, then click Restart. Hold Shift key until the screen blue displays. Click on Troubleshoot.
Click Advanced Options. Click Command Prompt.
Enter the following commands. You can find in video descriptions or first comments. Type Exit and press Enter key. Click Continue. Click Accessibility icon. Type Control User Passwords 2 and press Enter key. Click the account and click the Reset Password. Enter the new password and click OK button. Click OK button. Type your password and enter the PC.